Hello students, once again welcome back to the second session of our prose piece My Thai Cat. In the last class we have started a new prose piece called My Thai Cat, which is written by Prathomratha Zeng. My name is Abdul Bashir and I am working as assistant professor. My Thai Cat, a short story written by Prathomratha Zeng. In this story, let us recapitulate in brief what we have learnt in the last class. The name of the cat was Seasword, a Thai cat or a Siamese cat. How much narrator? The name of the narrator is I Know, loved her. And for what reason they wanted to select that cat? For what ritual? The name of the ritual was Nang Mao, and whole of the villagers they selected the cat Seasword, but narrator was very upset and he did not want to give his cat for the ritual. Let us continue the class. They took that cat to the temple and everyone gathered at the temple ground next morning. Seasword got ready at home, and that cat ate her usual lunch, dry mud fish, and carried her to the ground, kept her in adorned, means decorated cage, sprinkled sacred water. She became silent because of that noise. She became numb. She was inactive. Seasword. Afternoon, the sun was hot. Villagers took refuge under the mangoes and po trees, mango trees and the po trees. People started chanting songs. Drums and taphones began to beat in chorus. They were singing traditional songs. They plead in song that they need rain to earn money, for honey, for fish, for banana, for gold, for silver. If they want all this, if they want to buy all these things, they need to grow the crops. For growing crops, they need water. Without rain, there will be no water, there will be no crop. If there will be no crops, means they cannot buy all these things and lead their life happily. And then once again, that cat became numb. They beat drums hard, burnt crackers and poured cups of perfume on cage. Seasword got up and began to cry, tried to find out way to escape. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬಾರಿಸೋದು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪಟಾಕಿಯನ್ನು ಹಚ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪರ್ಫ್ಯೂಮನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೆಂಟನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೀಸ್ವಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಲಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸೀಸ್ವಾರ್ಡ್ ಎದ್ದು ಬೆಚ್ಚು ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ, ಕಿರ್ಚುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಜಾಗ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Situation went bad to worse. Narrator almost cried to save the cat, but father consoled him by trolling everything will be all right. ಇರಲಿ, ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, ಏನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಏನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ತಂದೆ ಸಮಾಧಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೆಕ್ಕು ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Narrator felt very bad that he could not save his beloved cat. Cat was placed in front of the temple and people gathered at Vihara and prayed for the rain goddess again. ಏನು ಆ ಕೇಜನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಬೆಕ್ಕುವಿನ ಕೇಜನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ಮುಂದುಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜನ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಹಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. And after praying all these things, the ritual will once again continue, and we will continue that portion in the next class. Let us summarize in brief what we have learned today. How sea sword was kept in a cage and a ritual was performed. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆ ರಿಚುವಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸಫರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನೆರೇಟರ್, ಮತ್ತು ನೆರೇಟರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಫರ್ ಆದ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ, ನೆರೇಟರ್ ಆ ಬೆಕ್ಕುವನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಲಿಸ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಲಿ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಲೇಟರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್